Hello everybody, how are we? Angus and Oink. Who's had it? No, not me. I'd never even heard of it. Have you seen yesterday's video where I got it from? I got mine from water tippers, local builders, merchants. They do them on Amazon. Exactly the same price, but I wanted to see what they look like before I bought them. So I went down there and got them, if you know what I mean. And the reviews are supposed to be absolutely amazing. It is designed for like a barbecue, but you can use them in the air fryer or in the oven or whatever. They've got a recipe. I'll leave a link to their site anyway down there, just in case anyone's interested, that's all. And you can have a look at their recipes that they do and all that stuff. And they also got a YouTube channel, I think. I'll link that below as well, so you can have a look and they show you how to do different kinds of recipes. But so I've got myself a couple of different things. So we're going to do a Chinese takeaway spare rib. And I'm going to do honey and chilli chicken thighs, just to see what I like, that's all. So, let's have a good look at them. Okay, we'll start off with the rub me, Angus and Oink, Chinese takeaway, salt and pepper, chilli rub. Put my glasses on, meat or vegetables, seasoning rub. It's 240 gram. I don't know if you can see any of this in here. It is very small. You can have a look. There's the nutrition. So £8.99 each. That's what they are. We took inspiration from the Chinese takeaway, salty and pepper chili ribs, chips and wings. Our journey in the world of flavours. That's what it is. And it says doing the method. Add your seasoning, Chinese takeaway rub, to the meat surface with a coating of oil. Season with rapeseed oil. Well, I ain't got any rapeseed oil. And allow to soak before cooking. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to leave them to marinade. Let's open this one up first then. Let's have a look. There it is. Oh, that smells like proper Chinese spare ribs. Oh, it does. It 100% does, guys. Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. Put that on there for a minute. And then we've got the honey and garlic, Angus and Oink, or Oink. I think they're Scottish. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. Well, I think they're Scottish. Same as the ingredients on that one. And the nutrition. And this one is inspiration from sweet and sticky Chinese honey chili chicken that we had in Hong Kong. Apply rub to moist meat surface for at least an hour. Well, that's what I'm going to do anyway prior to cooking. Allow to soak. The colour will blow you away. Cook from direct heat where possible to avoid any charring. Glaze with extra honey for the ultimate sticky thing of licking. That's only a mild. What was that one? And that's a 2. So let's open this one and have a look. I have got another one which I'm going to do another day. I'll do loads of different ones, but I weren't going to buy them all. I want to test it first, you know what I mean. And there is the honey and chilli. Oh, I prefer the Chinese takeaway one. That's nice though, that's nice, but that one smells absolutely delicious. Right, so what I'm going to do, I've got some chicken thighs. What I'm going to do with them, we're going to do the honey and chilli one on them. So first things first, let me get some gloves on. We are just going to sprinkle some of this over here. I'm going to be a bit generous. This says just over moist chicken, so don't need to put any oil on this one. I want to try and get all them flavours, if you get me. Get it all in. I'm going to put this chicken in a bag anyway. And then shake it all together. But to start with, we'll do this. Get it all done, all both sides, on everything. And what I'm thinking of doing with this chicken, I might do it on my rotisserie. Because I haven't used my rotisserie for a bit in the air fryer. Then I'll do the spare ribs just in the air fryer on its own. Just try and open a bag, that's all. Well, we'll get them in a bag. There's that one. I'll just get a little bit of oil and we'll just pour a drop in, just so it binds, that's all. That'll do. And I'm going to stick a bit more in there and give it a shake. Want to be generous? What I'll probably do also is I'll make a little marinade out of it. There's that one. Nice and simple. That's that one done. Next. Okay, there's my spare ribs. There are only them ones in the box, you know, you get from the shop. Slow cooked ones that you get from any supermarket. It's only for a test, that's all. Right, first things first then. I'm going to put some rub on this one first, some Chinese takeaway. And then I'm going to make a little marinade to rub it all in. It smells really nice, this does, really nice. So then we're just going to do a bit of marinade, that's all. And then we can brush it all on there. So put a bit of that in. And a bit of oil. And we'll give it a mix. We'll just mix all that up like that, nice and simple. And we'll just brush it over. And I'm going to keep, say it's going to rest for a few hours. And then I'm going to make another marinade up. And I'm going to keep brushing it every like 15 minutes when it's in the air fryer. I might have to chop it in half, this one. Okay guys, I've made a right mess. I will leave them for a couple of hours and then we'll cook them. Okay guys, 2 hours it's been in the fridge and that looks absolutely delicious. It really does, let me show you. Open it. And it smells gorgeous. Oh. Salt and pepper. Chinese takeaway. There it is, look. Oh, yes. And there is the chicken, if you can see it. Which I'm going to put in a bowl. And I've decided I'm going to do my chicken in my rotisserie. Because I haven't done that for a while. So you ain't got a rotisserie, air fry job in it. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And it smells gorgeous now, you know. Right then, first things first, I'm going to get my rotisserie and we're going to put the chicken on. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook them for, oops, bit slippery. I'm going to cook them for 45 minutes and I'm going to do 165 degrees, that's for both of them. I want to cook them a bit slower and what I'm going to do, make a little bit of marinade up and I'm just going to keep basting them as we go. Probably every 15 minutes or so and we'll just baste them away. Smells absolutely delicious, this does now, it's marinated, I tell you. It really does. Ooh. Anyway, I'll get all this done and I'll get the air fryers warmed up. And there's them on there, look now. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Right, air fryers warmed up then. Okay, air fryers are warmed up. You can see that. Bit of oil. So 170 degrees, I'll put it on in the end, on both of them. Hope I can get this in, otherwise I'll be chopping it in half. Will I get it, will it go in? Yeah, that'll be fine. That will be fine. I'll keep changing it. And I'm going to baste it, guys, like every 15 minutes or so. That's that one. Okay, guys. I had to take a piece off my rotisserie. It was too heavy. And that one I've just stuck in the air fryer just to show you what it looks like in the air fryer. And it looks delicious. The rotisserie ones have got like 5 minutes to go. So what I've done, I've took me good old ribs out and I've put them in a bit of foil. Just keep them warm. And there they are. And they're falling off the bone. Literally falling apart. So you just got to be a bit careful with them. But there they are, there, look. The smell, delicious, honestly. So we'll just wait for the rotisserie. And there are the rotisserie ones. Absolutely delicious. Look at them. Oh, yes. So give it a couple of minutes. I've put them on a plate already, my good old things, in case you want to have a look in the middle. Oh, there they are. And give it a couple of minutes and we'll dish up. Okay, all done. It smells delicious. So that was done, the ribs was done about 10 minutes before the old rotisserie, so they've just been sitting. But look, that chicken looks really nice, doesn't it?
It does look nice.
Oh, let me show you.
It smells nice.
Really nice.
Yeah, it does smell nice.
I've only got the one light out, so I don't know if it gives it justice. Well, there it is anyway. So let's have a go at one of them ribs before we do anything. Them chips, just a bit of French fries with that garlic and herb from B&M. That's all that is. Try one of these spare ribs, because these are the ones, ain't they? That's them there, look. Let's try. Smell really nice, don't they? You had one yet? No?
No, I haven't had one yet.
Oh, very salty. Nice though.
Chicken one's nice.
Oh, they're nice. They are salty, but they're very, very nice. And it's got a little kick on it as well. Nothing overpowering, but a little kick.
I like that chicken one.
You like that chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on a minute, guys. The lad's back. Give me a sec. Sorry about that, we then put the lads on camera. Yeah, that is nice. A bit salty though, isn't it? But that's me. What do you think is a bit salty?
I think the ribs are really salty.
Really salty.
I prefer, I'm not being nasty, I prefer the chicken.
I haven't tried the chicken yet. I'm going to try it
lovely.
now.
They are salty.
But that might be down to me putting a bit on with a load of marinade as I went through. Well, they're nice little kick, but they're nice though, aren't they? Just a bit too salty.
Oh.
That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That honey flavour.
Yeah.
Really nice, isn't it?
The chickens, I prefer the chicken, you know. Chicken's really nice.
You prefer the chicken?
I prefer the chicken, only because that is...
A bit salty.
That is so salty.
Well, that might be down to me. But,
you could have put just a little bit too much on or something.
Yeah. It's like everything when you first try it, isn't it?
It is nice. It is nice. It's not horrible.
No.
But
Well, it is
it's that... It's that...
Over saltiness for us, isn't it? Well, that's why we don't do a lot of salt.
No.
I prefer pepper in that
Yeah.
way. But each to their own. But yeah, that is delicious.
Oh, that's really nice.
And I'll be looking forward to a few recipes with it, to be honest with you. That chicken is absolutely stunning, isn't
It's
it?
really nice. Is it honey?
Honey and chilli, yeah.
It's delicious. And it's nice doing on with rotisserie. You've got a lot of crunchy bits and stuff. That's my favourite.
That's your favourite.
That's delicious.
That chicken is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let me try this air fryer one, not the rotisserie one. There's the air fryer one. I had to take a piece off because it wouldn't turn, would it?
Oh Have I got an air fryer one?
No.
Oh.
I've just
Okay.
only done the one because I set the one off and I just yeah. Works in the air fryer just as good. That's really nice, isn't it? Oh yeah.
It's delicious.
Well done, Angus and Oink. That is lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
You let me know whether you've had it before, guys.
I'll definitely have it again.
Yeah, that salt and pepper one. The Chinese takeaway salt and pepper. That's just probably us with the salt, isn't it? Because we're like a lot less salt. Well, definitely have it again.
Definitely have it
100%.
again.
100% definitely have it again. £8.99. They're on Amazon.
Oh.
I'm not affiliated anything, but I'll put you a link there just so in case you're interested. Yeah. Got another one to do. I'm going to do loads and loads of different sorts and sauces as well and all that stuff. And the recipes, they show you the recipes and all that on their YouTube. So, anyway guys, I'm going to go and eat it before it gets cold. Till the next time, we'll see you later. And it's a thumbs up from me. Thumbs up from you.
It's thumbs up from me.
Thumbs up from Natalie. And we're definitely both having it again.
I'll definitely have it again.
And we're definitely going to have it again.
Yeah, definitely.
See you later. Bye-bye.